look emo.
Swervo, aye. Swervo, 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 swervo. Yo, bitch wanna fuck 'cause I'm swervo.
Tell me why the fuck you mad though? I ain't that used to getting mad though.
Can someone push this back? I can't reach, honestly. But
This is stupid. This is vanilla. Let's get vanilla.
Coca-Cola, original taste. I love a sniff of that. I mean, a taste of that. Honey de Dijon, mustard. Shut the up and suck this big thing. Okay, period. Piss who? Oh,
Oh my god.
these hoes can't get in. Oh my god, my big ass finna fall. Let me try.
look at this.
Oh, hell, Anna. Let's try the other side.
It's going.
Yeah, do that shit.
Hell.
We're driving a pregnant woman.
Get your shank. Cut this. See, smooth like butter. Literally all four of us could have fucking showered, got ready for our day, put on makeup, and your car still probably wouldn't have been. Now we wait. I love Fortnite. I love Fortnite. Sip, sip, sip. Scoopity boo. Scoop, scoop, scoop.
This is how you do it for the vlog.
I'm done.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect.
It do not matter. Turned to a savage, probably got fatter. She called me daddy. Why you have to promise me that you'll stay calm when I tell you this? Not even kidding. Matter of fact, can you cut the music down a little bit?
Go ahead, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Chester's hot popcorn is being canceled. There's no more Chester's hot popcorn.
What? How do you guys know this
The
information?
lady at Come and Go told us
And
that
the
last
hot
night.
fries.
And hot fries are canceled. And hot Funyuns are canceled.
Well, I appreciate you guys telling me. Thank you. Thank you. I'll be okay.
Okay.
Yo, can I get a pill for the sinuses?
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Oh my god. It's the mash minging. The lash linging. The hash linging. Slash her.
Are you ready?
Wow.
Hey, the beat go off? Hey. Hey, I love it, then my heat go off. Bang.
You scared to come try me. You scared to come try me. You try me, I got it. You know that I got it. The pills in there.
When I was 12.
My aesthetic. Since you always love to eat them, we got you 2 weeks worth of blinds for you to eat.
This is better than my Christmas present. Dude, fuck buying food with my check. Fuck was I thinking, dude?
Right.
It's all drugs now.
Hashtag
Thanks,
Xanax.
guys.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
If you suck my dick, I'll give you 2.
Hell no, I ain't suck for no pill.